Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through 9 simple iPad gestures that you can do with just one finger. These are basic but powerful, and once you know them, navigating your iPad becomes a whole lot easier. Let's go in order from 1 through 9. 1. Swipe down from the top to see notifications. Anytime I want to check if I missed something, like a message, calendar alert, or app notification, I swipe down from the very top edge of the screen. This opens the notification center so I can catch up quickly. 2. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. If I want to adjust brightness, turn on Wi-Fi, activate airplane mode, or even start a screen recording, I swipe down from the upper right corner. That's how I open the control center. It's super handy. 3. Swipe left on the lock screen to open the camera. When I need to snap a quick photo without unlocking the iPad, I swipe left on the lock screen. The camera launches instantly, and I'm ready to go. 4. Swipe up from the lower right corner to open a quick note. If I need to jot something down fast, I swipe up from the bottom right corner toward the center of the screen. This opens a quick note. Whatever I write gets saved in the Quick Notes folder inside the Notes app. It's great for quick reminders or ideas. 5. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to see all open apps. To manage my open apps, I swipe up from the very bottom and then pause for a second. That opens the app switcher, and I can slide through everything I have open, or swipe apps away to close them. 6. Swipe up quickly from the bottom to go home. This is probably the gesture I use the most. I just swipe up quickly from the bottom edge of the screen, and it takes me right back to the home screen, no buttons needed. 7. Swipe up from the lower left corner to take a screenshot. This one's pretty cool. I just swipe up from the bottom left corner of the screen, and it captures a screenshot. I'll see a thumbnail pop up in the corner if I want to edit or share it. 8. Swipe right on the home screen or lock screen to open the Today view. When I'm on the first page of the home screen, or on the lock screen, I swipe right. This opens the Today view, where I can see widgets like weather, calendar, and more, all at a glance. 9. Swipe down from the middle of the home screen to search. If I can't find an app or want to search the web, I just swipe down in the middle of the home screen. This brings up the search bar, and I can type in anything I need. And that's it, 9 easy, one-finger gestures that really help you take control of your iPad. Give them a try and see which ones you use most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to visit bobology.com for my class calendar, articles, and videos that help people use technology for fun and profit.